Mechanical engineering gave me good grounding for many roles within the business that I currently work in. We manufacture power transformers. I started in process improvement and now look after manufacturing within the organisation. One of the projects that I worked on was specifying a piece of equipment that we had manufactured in Italy. That actually gave me the opportunity to travel to Italy and do the commissioning tests before bringing it back to Australia to install. This was the first time I'd ever been to Europe, going to Italy, to places like Milan, Florence, and also little country towns like Lugo where I was testing this machine. It was just fantastic. My job also gives me opportunity to see places like Germany, Switzerland, the Swiss Alps, over to UK, London, to see suppliers, customers all around the world. I'm a real outdoors person. I love my sports. I like playing football, golf, some hiking, any water sports. And what's really great about it is my job actually allows me to do these things. One week I was in Melbourne working on some projects of mine, and the next week I found myself in a board meeting between two joint venture companies in Saudi Arabia. I mean, my job's pretty unreal.